basically, what we doing. Oh shit. Is we about to upgrade. I'm about to take the CPU out of this one because the motherboard is being some weird shit. I'm about to put it in this one. Yeah. Oh yeah. Basically, it's gonna make it a freaking quad core and 4 threads. So a little bit better than what it is. Yeah. Okay, let's go figure it out. I hate that. That's weird. Alright. So take this out. Yeah, CPU upgrades is always nice. Putting a QM in here. Forgot what. I think it's like a 3610 or something. I can't really remember. Ooh. That heat sink is fucking finished. That CPU compound, rather. Hard as a rock. Yeah. Get this shit off. I gotta do the same thing to the CPU on that one. Man, son of a fuck. There we go. Nice and clean. This one, another one of these papers. Get this fucking cocky ass, whatever. This compound is trash. take silver. Huh? Well, do. What do I want to use? I'll use the same card. Unlock that CPU. That might not work. Okay, this will though. Oh, I think I might have found what we need. Yep, that's what we need. This. That's good.
With allegations, that's a
I didn't want to do that. That's what I was missing. This back thing. Okay. Come on. I hate that. Okay. Take out CPU. Like that. Release computer. Same thing with this one. Ooh, okay. This is i5 version. We'll just put that in there. I'm definitely going to be upgrading that or buying a new motherboard for that joint. So here we go. So yeah, that should be clean. There's our set. There's, whatever. But yeah, so this is, thank goodness, that's still okay. Yeah, this bad boy right in it. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to lock it in place. Ugh. There we go. As you can see, CPU. I'm gonna try to get this shit all off the side, just like stuck. Yeah, that should definitely. Yeah, should spray some alcohol on this shit. That's probably what I'm gonna go do. That CPU is fucking terrible. I cannot have it like that. Not at all. Oh. be at a duck. We're going to do some stuff that we're supposed to do to beauty. Switch the other day. Alright. Alcohol. Get this shit off. Yeah. Then we just do something like this. Get that shit off. Nice little i7. So then we should have, just gotta do the side. Get all that off here. Nice clean. Pretty cool. There it is. Nice i7. Then to this fan system, you want to do the same exact thing. To this piece. It's good. Okay. Nice copper. Now this fan. It's kind of. Let's see about this one. This one's actually cleaner. We'll use this one. But we have to get all that helky off of it. That helky. Helky. This one's. This one's cheaper. Well, to me anyway. Because it's not copper. But we'll use this one. Even though I don't want to. It's aluminum. Aluminum. Well, I guess that's fine. Oh, my hands feel all fucking weird. Got this fucking compound. Hate that. CPU compound. And that's what's in this. This is, I forgot what kind this is. Comes from with the liquid cooler that I have for a desktop. It's not bad. I have it in the desktop that I'm using now for the beat production. It's actually not that bad. Come on, you son of a... So basically, what this is for, keeps the CPU lubricated, as you can tell. That's what it does. Anyway, and you really don't want CPU to touch metal to metal. I mean, well, the die anyway. Because if it moves, you scratch the die, the CPU is done. Alright, now we'll just do like this with this part. Spread it all over this metal fucking bracket. That have some? Yeah, we should have some new. And that Northbridge chip. Just enough. Alright. This should go right in its damn holder. But there we go. In its holder where it belongs. Where it belongs. Screwdriver to screw this thing back in place. I don't know why the other one blew out. It doesn't make sense to me at all. But I don't know. The other laptop, I have no idea. But eventually, I'll buy another motherboard for that one. And then the motherboard is pretty cheap. But I want to find one with a graphics card though. So this all in. So I'll put the back plate on. See if the joint powers up. Try to make this. See, I should put this CPU in my HP EliteBook, but I'm not going to because I don't feel like taking that thing apart. You gotta take the keyboard off of it, the front bezel part to get to the processor because it's in the front with the keyboards. That it's. I hate when they do when they don't do it like this one. This model is pretty good because it's easier to gain access to everything. Now, take the hard drive out for a moment actually. Nice solid state drive. No moving parts. Goes onto this. Like this. Oh, shit anyway. Pretty sure. There it does. Use one of these screws. son of a bitch. There we go. Put this bitch in place. Screws need to suck ass. Screw. I hate that. Well, and hopefully, make sure it's good. Yep. Yeah, to get in that. At least the holding thing is holding it in place. Use another one of these screws to lock this thing right in place. Then the drive is not gonna move anywhere. And don't have thought I had some more screws over here, but don't. Fuck. This one's worth my keyboard. Okay. Let's see this one. Screw. Need screws. Yep. There's the here. Yeah. Locks the drive. Wait. Hey. Hello. Yo. Just up. Alright. Alright. Huh. I can see. Nah. Like 180 or less. Yeah. 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 Yeah, I know. Yeah. Yes, yeah. Yeah. Right now I'm just putting this laptop back together. Because I changed the CPU. Yeah, and this Dell Okay, everything looks pretty alright, I guess. Okay, well, we got one screw over there. Okay, so I need that screw. Yeah. Well, I mean, in the long run, I mean, if you do that every eighth, so I mean, hell no. I know I wouldn't. I'm just saying, hell no. Hell no, they gonna be people gonna be like, hell no. I'm just saying, this is true though. Yeah, but still, it's the yeah, because it goes somewhere else. I just know, because I know, like, when people used to do weird stuff, when I used to go to weird ass people, and they used to do that shit, weird ass shit, I'm like, oh, I ain't ever coming, I ain't ever coming back to your ass. Then they would text me, then they would try to text me and be like, yo, how come you ain't buying any? I'm like, cuz, that shit was off the one time. And they're like, oh, I'm like, yeah, or this shit was trash ass, but it's between, yeah. Oh, yeah, you know. Yeah. Alright, cool. So the CPU is working in this joint. Alright. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. So we know that the CPU is working, so the other Dell e6430 definitely needs to be, um, motherboard needs to be, nah, because I don't even know where that is right now. I know where it is, but I just don't know where the box is where it is. It's probably in the back, and I just used, uh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, so these gotta come out. These guys gotta come out. Those screws. No, cause I think it's a 36 QM in here. And I'm not 100%, but I'm pretty sure. Cause it came out, I already had it in the other one, but I don't know why. I think the motherboard died or something. I'm not 100% sure. So yeah, I'm gonna have to figure that out after, like, I'm gonna put the other CPU in the other one. If it does the same weird shit, then I know that because I'm gonna buy another motherboard eventually, not anytime soon, but eventually I will, and if it does that same weird ass shit, then I know that, I mean, if it, like, if I put the CPU, the i5 in that joint, the i5 doesn't power up in that one, then I know that the motherboard died. But you know, that's fine because the motherboard is cheap. How much did you pay for the one you got? And for the Latitude Dell 60, yeah. Oh no, I'm talking about how much did you buy the motherboard for it? Like yeah. Okay, so that's not bad. But yeah, that's really not too bad. $40 to 50, even 60 is not that bad. Anything more than 60, I wouldn't do it. Yeah. Well, you probably, but yeah, I mean, that's the battery that I bought. That's the same battery I bought for mine. Yeah, the 7400 milliamp battery. Yeah, that I've only I paid like 20. I paid like $20 for it or something like that. And then but see the drive bay battery. If you want to get the drive bay battery where you don't even have to use the CD drive, that one costs like $80. Where you put it in a CD drive, where the CD drive, because you can have more than one battery in this joint. So I'm probably gonna buy that battery as well, and I also want to buy the base for it, because you can have 3 batteries in one laptop. Alright, so all these screws look like they're in. And yeah. So now all I gotta do is put the CD drive back in. Because I mean CDs are not really used anymore on the computer. So I'm probably going to just get the drive bay battery. And then you have the extra drive bay. Yeah, the drive bay battery. So now the computer's booting up. I'm also live doing the same thing. So let's go to press F2 key to go to BIOS. Alright, so we're in BIOS. So this is a, what CPU is it? Oh, here we go. So it's right here. Intel Core i7-3610QN. So yeah, that's what we wanted to put in this joint. Alright, so that's all we needed. And let's see the joint boot up now. Okay, Dell. No, we hate this stupid message. F3 and then F1. Yeah, I think this needs a new watch battery too. CPU placement was detected. Additional system features enabled. It say press Y to continue or computer will shut down. Okay. This is basically what it said. Okay, but so that means I gotta enable that hyper threading shit, or it's only gonna show 4 cores. You bastard. Hell yeah. So now we have to go to system configuration. Let's see. Oh, it's performance. See state. Oh, everything's all enabled. Okay, good. Everything's enabled. So that's good. But yeah, so this is a Dell e6430. We just changed this. The CPU has been changed. CPU booting up Windows 7. Ooh, that shit was way faster. Upload time. Okay, so let's see. Oh yeah. So it says installing new device driver, meaning the CPU. Oh, see? So it's installed. We have our T-Mobile data coverage. And we restart the computer now because it'd be stupid not to. After CPU upgrade has been completed. Alright. It looks like this joint is working now. Better than with that dual core in it. Dual core with 4 threads. This is quad core with 8 threads. Very good. T-Mobile. Damn, everything loads so much faster just by putting up. T-Mobile is ready. Let's connect to data coverage. Oh, now we're getting. I hate when I have her. Huh? Closing up. Gave me gate edge. Dual G data. Okay, we connected. So wait. Yeah. Oh, 4G LTE is here. Minimize window. And let's see. We got CPU on here. Nope. Alright, so we gotta go to this date. Yeah, I gotta change that watch battery. There should be. Wait for it to sync. Update. Gonna work. We got LTE. Okay, there we go. Get that. Refresh this. Alright. Do a download. Oh yeah. Download. Okay, good. Now we gotta do the installation. Run installation. Blah 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 blah. Run. Cancel. That's alright. So there we go. We got Intel Core i7-3610QM and 45 watts. Damn. Oh yeah, I seen that shit. That memes is that memes is crazy, yo. I'm like, what the fuck? I seen some of them shit. I seen some of them shits, and I was like, wow. Yeah. Okay, so it goes. Okay, it goes up. Oh god, that shit sounds terrible. I'm about to. Oh god, Criminal Minds Atlanta. Oh my god, this shit is funny as. Oh my god, this shit is. This shit, yo, this. I'm gonna have to find it. I'm gonna have to go through Facebook and find it. Yeah. Oh my god, no, they're saying Tarzan 3 with Lil Wayne. Oh my god. But yeah, that's the laptop. That joint is quad core now, 8 threads. So this joint is all working.